Alright, so here's the tool that I made up for you. It's going to offset this line. It's going to fill it in. So let's go ahead and do a offset underscore extend, which is the command we wrote. You're going to pick the line, or pick a point on the line, pick the direction, and give it a distance, which we're going to go ahead and use 6 feet here. So it does 1, but if you look down in the command line here, you'll see it's a press enter to repeat or escape to end. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter, and I'm going to hit enter as many times until I'm done with my offsets. And now you have your lines. So I hope that helps.